So out of 25 identical bulbs, means the bulbs are of the same type. Okay, 100 watt you can say. 17 are red, 17 are red, while 3 are black, and the remaining are yellow. So let us write total number of bulbs. Let's start. Total number of bulbs is equal to 25. Red, number of red bulbs is equal to 17. Number of black is equal to 3. Therefore, number of yellow will be equal to how much? Therefore, the number of yellow will naturally be 25 minus 20. 25 minus 20 will be equal to 5 bulbs. So 5 of them will be number of yellow is equal to number of yellow bulb is equal to 5. Okay. Now find the difference between number of red and yellow bulbs. As they are saying, we are acting in the same way. Therefore, difference between the red and yellow bulbs, red minus yellow. So red was how much? Your red was 17 while your yellow was 5. So the difference you would get as 12. So this is the difference, means antar between red and yellow bulbs, 12. Now what are they asking? They are asking you that express, find the difference. I found out the difference and express the difference as percentage. So percentage of the difference, percentage of the difference. Therefore percentage of difference, I said that it should always be calculated on the original value. So percentage of difference is equal to difference by original value multiplied by 100. Always the percentage should be calculated on the original value, is equal to, difference was how much? 12. Original value was 25 times 100. So how much you will get? Let's see. 25 4 times 12 fours are 48 percentage. So I have expressed this difference in percentage. Okay. A number first increases by 20% and then decreases by 20%. Oh, a number, but I do not know the number. So why not to take this number as 100? So let the number be 100. Let the number be 100. So when I would take the number as 100, first increases by 20%. So 20% increase would give you 100 plus 20 is equal to 120. Now, and then decreases by 20%. Then decreases by 20% means this was after you have increased to 20%. Then from this value there will be a decrease of 20%. So 20 again. 20% of 120 is equal to how much? Is equal to 24. Means 24 decrease from 120. Means 24 decreased from 120. So 24 decreased from 120 will give you 120 minus 24 is equal to 96. Clear? Is equal to 96. Means your first value was how much? Was 120, and your second value was 96 after decreasing 20% from 120. Now, what was your original number? This was your original number. So they are asking you that find the percentage increase or decrease. The original value was 100, and after increasing and decreasing, I am getting 96 as the final value. So this was my original value, this is my final value. Now you only judge whether there is increase or decrease. I find that there is decrease in the value. So decrease in the value is equal to 100 minus 96 is equal to how much? 4. Is equal to 4. Now you have to find the percentage of this. So percentage decrease will be equal to 4 by original value. 100 into 100 is equal to 4 percentage. A number is first decreased by 40% and then again decreased by 60%. So let the number be 100 decreased by 40%. This means the decreased value will be 100 minus 40 is equal to 60. And then again decreased by 60%. Again, I would change my pen. Again decreased by 60%. 60%. So again decreased by 60% from what number? From this number. So 60% of 60 will give you 36. Means 36 is the decrease. So the final value, I would say better, the final value will be equal to 60 minus 36 is equal to how much? Will give you 24. So 24 is the final value. 24 is the final value. While 100 was your original value. So find the percentage increase or decrease on the whole. So my dear, you people only judge that what is the decrease, final decrease. Final decrease was how much? Final decrease was 100 minus 24. So 100 minus 24 is equal to how much? Sorry, I hope I am going it right. 100 minus 24 is equal to 6. This is your 9 minus 2. So 9 minus 2 will give you 7. 76. 76. So final decrease was 76. So what is decrease percent? So your decrease percent is equal to decrease percent is equal to how much? Decrease by original value multiplied by 100 is equal to 76%. I hope you people have tried to understand what actually they are asking. So if the number is 100, if the decrease is 40, so naturally the decreased value is equal to 60. Again, they are decreasing it by 60%. So 60% of 60 is equal to 36, means your final value now becomes now 24. So naturally the total decrease is how much? So total decrease from original value is 76. Clear? Is 76. Let me check. This is your 76 and 76%. Clear? I was making it sure. If 150 of a number is 750, this is the easiest one, and the last one also. Few minutes are left. If 150 of a number, if 150% of a number, I do not know the number, so I would take it as x, is equal to 750. So what is the value of x? So x is equal to 750 times 100 by 150. Let me cancel this. 15 5 times is equal to 500. Are they asking you this number? No. They are asking us 60% of this number. 60% of this number. Therefore 60%. Therefore 60% of x will give you 60% of 500, or 6 5 jar 30, 300, as 60% of the number which they are asking you. So from this is the end of this particular exercise 8C. Next we would start with exercise 8D. Till then, be chill.